Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a time lapse, if you can call it that, and I'm going to show you the progress of where the sun is throughout the course of the morning. So I'll come out here every half an hour or so, and I will take a couple of seconds of video and put them all together and show the progress from 6 a.m. to maybe noon, and show where the light hits the coral bells over here. And I'm going to kind of demonstrate why I put them over there. I know this is not a really pretty scene here. The cardboard is there to keep the ground cover flowers from spreading, because they'll get all over this whole area if I let them. And I don't want them getting really near my coral bells because they spread very easily. They may still actually make it over there, but I want to at least mitigate that as much as I can. So, it's not the prettiest scene here, I understand that. I didn't gussy it up at all for you. I'm showing you exactly what it really looks like back here. I'm literally the only human being who ever sees this. So, no one ever looks back here except for me. I'm literally the only person. So, these are not here to be pretty. They're just here to have a place to live and be comfortable and healthy. So here's the temperature in the shade, 80 to 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Just take that, let's put it right over here in the sun, and give that a minute. And we're going to see just maybe a foot away what the difference in temperature is, because today's a hot day. It's about 12:30, so we're just reaching the hottest part of the day. It's going to still keep climbing. We're supposed to have, I think it said 102 was going to be our high today. It already feels like it out here though. So this is just me proving to myself that I was right about planting these plants where I planted them. Just a foot further this way, and they would be baking. So anyway, you can see that that is just going to continue climbing. And that is not good for coral bells. They don't like that kind of heat. So, I think I've proven to myself that I was right about this. On the surface, it was 80 degrees. I could put it in and actually test the temperature inside. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good. I appreciate you guys coming along with me on the journey. To those who have watched the videos and commented on them, thank you very much. To the people who have given me support on this, especially my father-in-law, special thanks to him, because he really is encouraging. He's a very encouraging person, so I appreciate that especially. Anyway, thanks a lot for coming along with me, and I'll see you guys next time.